Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Tell me honestly, do you sometimes feel nervous when speaking English? You know what to say, but when it's time to speak, your mind just goes blank. Don't worry, it happens to almost everyone. The good news, you don't need perfect English to sound confident. You just need a few simple tricks that make your voice sound natural and strong. So today, I'm going to share 5 easy ways to sound confident when speaking English, even if you make mistakes. These are small habits you can practice every single day. Let's start with the first one. Speak slowly. Most learners think speaking fast means fluent, but actually, confident people speak clearly, not quickly. When you slow down, your words sound stronger and your voice calmer. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to choose the right words. It also helps your listener understand you better. So next time you talk in English, take your time. It's not about speed, it's about clarity. Remember, fluency is not fast talking, it's comfortable communication. When you control your pace, you sound instantly confident. Tip number 2, use short sentences. You don't have to speak long or complicated lines to sound smart. Short sentences sound clean, calm, and confident. Say things like, I agree, that's interesting, or that's a great idea. Short and simple is the secret. It helps you speak without pressure and keeps the conversation natural. Tip number 3, keep eye contact or smile. If you're speaking face-to-face, look at the person while talking. If you're online, smile at the camera. Your body language shows your confidence even before your words do. A gentle smile makes your voice sound friendly and warm. Remember, confidence isn't perfection. It's comfort in communication. Tip number 4, use power phrases. When you need a second to think, use short, confident lines like, that's a good question. Let me think about it, in my opinion. These phrases give your brain time and make your speech flow naturally. Even if you pause, you'll sound calm and professional. Tip number 5, practice your voice daily. Confidence grows with practice, not reading. Record yourself speaking English for 2 minutes each day. Then listen and notice how you sound. You'll start hearing improvement week by week. This small daily habit can transform your voice and your confidence. Let's quickly review all 5. 1. Speak slowly. 2. Use short sentences. 3. Keep eye contact or smile. 4. Use power phrases. 5. Practice your voice daily. Confidence isn't about perfect English. It's about expressing yourself without fear. So speak proudly, make mistakes, learn, and grow. Your confident English starts today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide.